Good evening, students. Today we are here for discussing coded inequality. It is the advanced version of what? Simple inequality. You know the inequality. In the inequality, some statements are given and followed by some conclusions are given. We just check the path is completed or not. If the path is completed, the relation is established, and the path is not completed, then the relation is not established. Okay. And there are some concepts like either or, neither nor, etc. And today we are going to discuss the coded inequality. That means some codes are given. You just transfer that code to your original symbols like greater than equals to, less than equal to, less than equals to, etc. and apply your normal rules, path completed or incompleted, and is there any either case or not. Okay, then come to the board to see what is the pattern of the question. In the question paper it is given that a@b means a is greater than b, a star b means a is either greater or equals to, either greater than or equals to what? B. Okay. Then a triangle B means a is neither greater nor smaller than B. Okay, that means neither greater nor smaller than, that means equal to. Then a, suppose copyright B means a is less than b or smaller than b. Then a has symbol b means a is either smaller or equals to b. Okay, so this is your coded information. Okay, first of all 5 lines are given to you. That means here at the rate represent what? Greater than symbol. That means a is greater than b, and star means either greater than or equal to, that means greater than equal to, and a triangle means neither greater nor smaller, that means equal to. Copyright means less than, so a is obviously less than b, and this one either smaller or equal to, that means less than equal to. Okay, so difference between the previous pattern and this pattern is, it is in the coded form, you just convert it into the original format. Okay, artificial symbols are replaced by what? Normal symbol. Okay, so followed by questions are given. Suppose question number 1 statement is also given. P@q triangle R, then R star S and copyright symbol T. Only 2 statements are taken. So followed by, suppose 2 conclusions are given. First of all take the 2 conclusions, followed by we will take some more conclusions. So conclusion 1, P@S, and number 2, Q triangle T. Okay, so this is completely your coded format, coded inequality. So very easy one, I think. Just replace all the symbols. Okay, At the rate means what? Greater than, you put greater than here. Triangle means equal to here. Star means greater than equals to, and then copyright means less than. You also replace all the codes here, that means under conclusion, means greater than, triangle means is equals to, right? Now check the path P to S. It is the relation between P and S. P to S. So if you write P greater than Q equals to R greater than equal to S. So P to S, the path is completed or not? S. The path is completed. What is the relation between P to S? The relation is greater than. So obviously greater than is available. So this one is correct. Then Q to T. Q equals to R. R greater than equals to S less than T. Right? Q to T. So I think the path is not completed because due to the presence of the reverse symbol greater than equals to and less than symbol. Right? So no relation is established. Whatever may be given under the conclusion, all are wrong. Now what is your answer? Only conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 1 follows. Are you getting my point? So this is the simple one, right? And sometimes under the conclusion, more than 2 conclusions are given, right? For example, another one is suppose given, that is suppose 3, and here it is given that Q is that means a star symbol is given, then S, Q star S, Q star S. So in this case, you check properly. This one is correct, this one is wrong. So Q to S, then Q to S. Which type of relation? Obviously Q to S path is completed and the relation is greater than equals to. That means the symbol is star, means this one is correct, right? Now your answer is only 1 and 3 logically follows. There is no either or case, right? I first of all discuss the simple ones, right? So in this case, because multiple conclusions are given to us, you decide first of all which one is correct, which one is wrong. If you find only 2 or more than 2 conclusions are wrong, then check for the either or pair, right? So here only 1 conclusion is wrong, so no need to check either or case. Only check what is your answer. That means only 1 and 3 logically follows. Suppose instead of a triangle, it is given that copyright. Instead of a triangle, it is given that what? Copyright. And check again. Okay. P @ S, obviously greater than P S. This one is correct. Q to T path is not completed, hence whatever may be given false, right? Then Q to S, you write here T, okay, not S, T. Q to T again, that means the star symbol, so whatever may be written false. Now see, only 2 conclusions are wrong, then it is required to check is there any either or pair or not, right? So copyright means less than and star means greater than equals to, right? So 2 and 3 we can say either or, because the path is incomplete. Q to T path is incompleted, so no relation, because particularly you don't know what is the relation between Q and T. So for that, if this one is given greater than, another one is given what? Greater than equals to, both have the same symbol, right? Both have the same symbol. When you combine these 2 conclusions, we find all types of a result. That means less than, greater than, equals to. Okay. So this is the second case for either or case. Okay. When the path is incompleted and both have the same elements, both are confusing type. When we combine these 2 conclusions, we find all types of a result. We find either or case. So exactly in this case, only conclusion 1 and either 2 or 3 follows. Okay, you combine this thing. That means one is correct, and either 2 or 3 logically follows. Okay, so this is all about what coded type of inequality.